In this video, I'm going to show you how to create AI presentations using DeepSeek with this quick 2025 guide. First, log into your DeepSeek account and open the chat. To get started, type a prompt like create a presentation about digital marketing trends or whatever topic you need. For better results, be specific. Add the number of slides, target audience, tone, and key points you want included. DeepSeek will then generate a slide-by-slide outline or full content for each slide. If you need visuals, just ask suggest images for each slide or create bullet points only. You can also upload documents or PDFs and ask DeepSeek to turn them into a clean presentation. Once you're happy with the slide content, copy everything into PowerPoint, Google Slide, or Canva and apply your design. If you want revisions, simply say make it shorter, make this more professional, or add intro slide. And that's it.